Well, so we have a train here at Maumee Street, and sorry about the bright street light. And I can see the headlight around that curve. Here comes a westbound heading up to Butler, Indiana. But where I am in right now is in Adrian, Michigan. Today is December 5th, 2022. From CJ Compton on YouTube. Well, anyway, here it comes. Right here at Maumee Street. Oh no, we got a light burned out on the Dana. Oh no, that's not good. Look at that, we have the left side light burned out. Well, anyway, here it comes. One light is burned out. Oh no, not good. We have a light burned out on the Dana. That's not good at all. But the lights on the gate are fine. It's just that main light on the left is out, folks. Oh no, this ain't good. Hopefully Norfolk Southern will fix it sooner or later. Because in the video, as you can see, there's only one light flashing on the right side. But the one on the left side is out. Today is our Monday extravaganza, folks, with a main light burned out on the Dana. Zoomed it up for y'all again. Yep, burned out light. Not good. Now that that's over with, okay, so that's it.